This is where Ricky's Day Program is located. It's about 2 storefronts down from where I am standing. It is on Main Street, and his front door is directly across from this Walgreens parking lot. I am going to start walking the direction that Ricky walked, which happens to be west towards his house. So, like I said, here's Main Street. In the middle of the afternoon, it's about 3:30. Ricky left somewhere between 12 and 1. So here we go. I'll videotape throughout the walk. Okay, so this is the first cross street that Ricky encounters. He doesn't know to look left or right, but this is what he did. And he keeps walking, and so shall I. I've only been out walking a few minutes, and I can already feel myself getting sunburnt. And I am actually going to stop and put sunblock on, but Ricky didn't have that opportunity to protect himself from the sun. All right, now here's another little encounter with a small parking lot, but coming ahead there is a dip in the road, and I believe I am going to be walking under an underpass. Alright, so that was that little parking lot, and now going to walk, and I noticed that this place here has a Ring camera. So I am going to stop and ask about if possibly they saw Ricky. Okay, I just came from that shop. The guy inside has the Ring doorbell. It doesn't record history, but he was able to look back to last Thursday. He looked between 12 and 1 and did not see Ricky. Ricky could have walked very fast and the guy might have missed him. But he did mention that if Ricky went out the back of his day program, that strip mall, all those parking lots associated with each shop leads out to the side street here. So it is possible that Ricky came out the back and came down this side street. Remember, this is a big intersection. He doesn't know to stop and look. He either just kept walking, maybe got spooked and stopped and kept walking, but he definitely was in this intersection. And there is that underpass, or what the heck is it called? The overpass or an underpass? I'm about to go under. Ricky then crossed this little, looks like a parking lot for the train maybe, this little side street. And hopefully he stayed on the sidewalk and wasn't walking in the shoulder as he goes under here. Sorry if it's jumpy. It's just when I walk, my hand's moving. Alright, now, if you look ahead, this is where Main Street starts to widen. It's 4, technically 5 lanes. Alright, that's the overpass. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 17. Could be 6 lanes right here. And oh wow, look at this intersection. See, I will not cross right now, but look at this. What if I just started walking? What would all these cars do? Look how long I have to wait. Ricky can't do that. Hey, maybe he can. And maybe I don't know. But this is a scary, scary intersection. Look at this. Oh boy, I think I feel drizzles. Alright. Besides all the potholes and dips in the street that you have to maneuver over. That traffic light back there is the intersection that I was just at. And now we continue down the path. And somewhere in this street, Ricky was standing, stopping traffic. Cars were probably beeping at him. People were probably screaming at him. And this is where a Good Samaritan helped Ricky get to the side, somewhere here on the grassy area of Stop and Shop. When I was done, I was hot and sweaty. I was sunburned. I was so thirsty, but I refused to have anything to drink because Ricky didn't have anything to drink. Can you imagine?